Sheldon, it's for you.
Who is it?
Your mother.
Oh, good. Hi, Mom. How are you? But, Mom, she keeps sitting in my spot. And she touched my food. Okay, yes, I took her clothes, but she started it. No, that's not fair. Why should I have to apologize? I really don't think this is the kind of thing Jesus concerns himself with. No, you're right. I don't really know what Jesus thinks about. All right, goodbye. Did you tell on me?
Are you kidding me? I already have 2 strikes.
Penny. 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 I'm very, very sorry for what I have done. Here's your laundry. I rescind your strikes, and you are no longer banished.
Can I sit wherever I want? No. Never mind. That's not important. Sheldon, this was big of you. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Good night, Sheldon.
Penny,
Yes?
well played.
Thank you.
Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
Understood.